Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. Today I will be showing you how I achieved this super cute faux locs look. If this is something you're interested in, then keep on watching. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jancita. I'm already wearing my Naruto shirt. I am ready to take this hair on. I needed a little break from my natural hair, so I figured let's do something different and do some locks. This is my first time attempting this look, so let's hope for the best, guys. Oh yeah, I also got a fish tank and my cats are like obsessed. Don't mind them, you know how they are. I'm gonna end up moving it. And for some of y'all who might say, why she get fish when she got 3 cats? Well, because I wanted to, okay? I wanted some fish, all right? So I got some. Bite me. Okay, so my hair is already parted. I did this the night before to save some time because it is time consuming. I also added leave-in conditioner and argan oil to hydrate my hair and make sure that it does not itch while I rock my locks. All right, so I'm going to be using this hair today. It's called Dorsani. I don't know. I hope I'm saying that right. I purchased this on Amazon. With COVID going on, I didn't feel safe to go to the beauty supply. So I ended up getting this beautiful honey brown ombre. So let's see how that looks with my purple hair. And I'm also going to be using this Expression braiding hair in the color 2 just to add more thickness to my locks. I'm going to be braiding this black hair onto my purple hair. Oh my god, guys, look how cute. I am loving the process. So I decided to do the back off camera because, you know, it is my first time attempting this look and I just wanted to get myself situated before showing you. I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam for my edge control. Also, make sure to use an edge control that's not going to leave a lot of residue and buildup because you obviously want to get the most out of this hairstyle. So just keep that in mind. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some of this hair onto my braid just to make it thicker. Also, make sure to leave enough space between your roots and the braid so that you could stick in the needle easy, because if not, it's going to be too tight and it's going to hurt. And just to secure the hair in place, I'm just going to create some sort of loop and make sure that it's tight enough so that I can begin braiding. So now that I braided it to the length that I want, I'm going to go ahead and create another loop, and I'm going to be using a small rubber band to keep it in place. Then I'm going to use my scissors just to cut off that extra piece of hair. And now we're going to start wrapping. So we're just going to repeat the same steps we did with the black hair. This is really easy, guys. It's just time consuming, and after a while your arms are going to be hurting. Trust, it will be worth it. We're going to loop it around again and make sure it's tight. So now I'm just fluffing up the hair and dividing every strand so that I could get that fluffy look, and it's easier for me to wrap. And now we get to the fun part. We just wrap the hair around and around. Also, don't stress if you don't cover your hair as you're wrapping it, because we will continue on adding layers of hair until everything's completely covered. So one thing to keep in mind as you're wrapping, make sure that it's tight enough so that it doesn't come undone. If you do it right, it won't come undone. So I'm not really a big fan of this hair, only because I feel like it's very, how do I want to say this? I feel like soft is not the word, but you know what I mean? Like shiny, soft, and it was very thin, you know, and I have a lot of hair, so the thick, coarse hair is my way to go, and I messed up on that. That's on me. Not saying that it's difficult to wrap. It actually worked fine, but for the look that I actually wanted to go for, which was the butterfly look, I couldn't achieve that with this hair, so make sure you're aware of what hair you buy buy. I wish I would have went with something a little more kinkier. Obviously, if you're buying from Amazon, it's hard to kind of decipher that, but use me as an example. And also, it was a 7-pack, so the price was pretty good for the amount of hair that I got. I ended up using 4.5 packs. Not too shabby, eh? This is very repetitive and boring in a sense, but I'm gonna keep on adding layers until I completely cover this braid from top to bottom. Now I'm just gonna cut this one strand in the middle because I don't need the entire thing so that I can cover the end. And this is how I do it. I just keep on wrapping it until it's completely covered, and then I wrap it back up so that I can seal it. Now you can use glue, or you could also burn it off. Not burn it off, you could burn the end to keep it in place. I didn't do that, I just kept it the way it is and it was fine. But over time, it did kind of come undone a little bit towards the end, so I went back and used glue. So you have that option as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty simple. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps with this last braid, just to give you another example if you didn't get it the first time. Or you could always just rewind the video, that's fine too. So this was my attempt on trying to do the butterfly effect, and I was just using the same method I've seen other girls use, which is their fingernail. But since I don't have these crazy long nails, I'm just gonna use my finger or whatever. So this is what I do. Like, I wrap it around my finger and then I keep wrapping it, and then I pull the hair that I poked out just to give it that messy look. Now I'm gonna add some Cream of Nature styling mousse just to give it some shine. Ta-da! This is what I am looking like. I am obsessed. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below your thoughts, and also follow me on my Instagram, guys. I'm always posting on there. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!